Hi, my name is Travis Tormey. I'm a criminal defense lawyer in New Jersey. Today I'm going to talk to you about burglary charges. Burglary is a felony or indictable level offense, which means it will be handled at the county in which you are charged. Burglary can be a second or third degree crime depending on the circumstances. A second degree crime is punishable by 5 to 10 years in New Jersey State Prison. A third degree crime, on the other hand, is punishable by 3 to 5 years in New Jersey State Prison. So, what are the requirements in order for the state to establish a burglary? They have to show that you entered a structure with the purpose to commit a crime while you were inside, okay? So what people don't understand is, typically people think burglary, it's a house, right? You break into a house to steal stuff, okay? That's the burglary, sure. But you also can break into a car to steal things. It's a structure, counts as a burglary. You also don't have to intend on stealing anything. If you break into someone's house to assault them, that would be a burglary as well. So, doesn't have to be a house, any structure, and is there a purpose to commit a crime while you're inside? Now, how do you get a second degree burglary versus a third degree burglary? A second degree, it trumps up from a third to a second when, number one, there were injuries to a party. So you break into a car, you assault someone, break into a house, you hurt someone, that would make it a burglary, second degree. Or if there was a weapon involved. You break into a house with no gun, third degree burglary. You break into a house with a gun or a knife, something of that nature, makes it a second degree burglary. If you're facing burglary charges, we can beat your case potentially a number of different ways. Number one, did you have a right to be at the property or the car or the house, whatever they're saying that you burglarized? A claim of right, if you had a right to live there or you thought you had permission to go in and then they said you didn't, that's not a burglary. Number two, did you have a right to the items that were inside? Whatever was taken, did you think they were yours? Were they yours? Is there a dispute about the property? Very good defenses. Number three, did you intend to commit a crime while you were inside? It's very difficult for the state and the prosecutor to convince a jury that you intended to commit a crime once you were inside. It's hard to prove what was inside your head, so we can challenge that. I've had cases where a drunk kid went home, thought he was at his house, couldn't get in with his keys, didn't understand why the key wasn't working with the lock, broke the window, went inside, fell asleep on the couch, and the people called the police and they said, there's a crazy person sleeping on my couch. Burglary? No. Person was charged with burglary. He thought he was in his own house, number one. Number two, he didn't intend to commit a crime inside. He thought he was sleeping on his own couch. If any of these potential defenses apply to you, call me. If not, we'll talk about the facts of your case and see what we can do to help you.